So today we're making quarantine style pad thai. You can change things around based on what you have, but the basis is going to be rice noodles, and I just got some simmering water, and I'm just going to add them to that, and then I'm going to set them aside. Our sauce is going to be, the base is going to be soy sauce. I'm going to add about half a bottle. To that, I'm going to add about a half a cup. I know that sounds like a lot, but about a half a cup of sugar. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to make a sauce that ultimately is savory, sweet, spicy, and sour all at the same time. So I also have some fresh squeezed lime juice. This is just the juice of one lime. I'm also going to add a couple tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of chili garlic. Now that's a decent amount. Now you can use sriracha, you can use whatever hot sauce you have, preferably Asian. Because peanuts are a main flavor of pad thai, I'm just gonna add like a fat tablespoon of peanut butter, and I'm just gonna mix it into the sauce. Now, I've always done it that way. I love the flavor that it adds to it, and also I think you get a little bit of viscosity from it. That's our done sauce. Now I'm gonna taste this sauce now, because you can't know what it tastes like unless you taste it. So that's pretty good. Now we're going to actually build the dish. You never use olive oil in Asian cooking, so don't do that. So I'm just using vegetable oil here, and then I'm just gonna go in with garlic and ginger, and I'm just gonna saute that quickly, maybe 30 seconds. We would normally go in now with protein, but because we're doing this dish vegan, I am not gonna do that. Once the garlic is no longer raw, I'm gonna go in with our noodles, and then our sauce, the whole thing. Stir to combine, and my heat is up pretty high. There's a lot of starch left over in the noodles, and it's going to thicken the sauce so that the whole thing adheres together. When I pull back, you see the sauce is in there, but it's not really running. That's pretty much what you want. So now you would generally top this with green onions, cilantro, and a little bit of crushed peanuts. And essentially, there is vegan pad thai.